Garner okay, hey guys, so I'm on Garner right now and Panabaker, just waiting for the bus. And check this out. See that guy in the black pickup over there? That guy's stuck. That guy is stuck right in the ditch. So yeah, I'm just here right now, kind of trying to catch whatever footage I can find. And yeah, it doesn't look like this guy's going anywhere. This guy's gonna honestly, like, kill himself. Look at this guy. I want to see if he gets out of the ditch here. Okay, so it looks like this guy... Doesn't look like this guy's going any... Okay, if this guy keeps... Okay, guys, if this guy keeps going the way he is, this guy's gonna, like, end up in the ditch. Here, like, look at this guy. He's just literally... He's literally sitting there trying to, like, get out of the ditch. And wait, you can't really see because, like... I don't know, should I go over there and see if he needs help or anything? I mean, like, I don't know. This guy looks like he's in a pretty bad pickle right now. So yeah, this guy just got himself trapped in the ditch. I don't know why, but I'm gonna go see it. I'm gonna go over there and see if this guy needs any help. Yeah, this guy is technically and currently not going anywhere right now. So, yeah, I'm gonna go... Hey guys, how's it going? Today, I'm doing a fun little YouTube video with a special treat. As you can see around me, I am in my basement right now, my quiet little messy basement. So today, a lot of you have probably seen the ads for the new McDonald's Spicy McChicken Burgers. I mean, I'm a spice guy myself, so I'm going to taste test these for you guys and let you know if you should go to McDonald's and muck it, or if you should go to McDonald's and not muck it. So I'm going to get them out of the bag here, right here. Okay, let's see. Okay, this one kind of, I think, looks like the habanero one. I can't really tell which ones they are, so I'm gonna... Alright, so I'm just gonna go assume it's the habanero one. So I'm gonna take this out of the package, right here, and I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna taste test it. Okay, first bite of the McDonald's habanero chicken burger. Here we go. Oh, freaking, that's hot. Oh, you guys gotta try this. Holy, the heat is there, and there's a nice kick in that, I'm not gonna lie. Holy, let's get another big bite of this. Oh my god, you guys gotta try that. Okay. Next up, I got the... I think this one's the ghost pepper one, because I'm noticing the darker orange. So I'm gonna now assume that this is the ghost pepper one. So here we go. Ghost pepper McChicken. That wasn't hot at all. Yo. If there's habanero in here, it needs to be hot. McDonald's, you guys. Habanero burgers are supposed to be spicy, not taste like freaking cheese sauce. I'm not gonna lie though, the chicken burger itself, that is clean. Like 100%. Oh my god. Okay. Final burger. Okay. Okay. Last burger here, guys. I'm gonna see if it tastes good. Again, it's not hot. I'm sorry, guys. Oh my god, the hiccup. Okay. Guys, they're good. They got a little bit of a kick to them. But if you guys want to be satisfied, then you gotta ask them to put more of this shit in. Holy jeez. It's spicy enough as it is. Oh. Okay. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. And that, again, are McDonald's burgers. So, yeah. So, I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.